Gusto or Zenefits, two big players in HR software. One burning question: which one truly makes managing your team easier? On the left, Gusto, effortless payroll and benefits for small businesses. And on the right, Zenefits, HR management with serious power and flexibility for growing companies. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how each platform stacks up in the real world. Each area will score points, so you'll know exactly which system leads by the end. And the winner might not be as obvious as you think. Before we get deep into the nitty-gritty, check this out: a mind map with all the categories we're going to cover. We're talking pricing, payroll, benefits administration, time and attendance tracking, and those big HR features. You got all that? Perfect. Now let's get rolling. All right, first stop, pricing. Gusto honestly comes out swinging here if you're running a small shop or just really care about costs. It's affordable, the pricing tiers are super flexible, and if you don't have more than 5 folks though, heads up, you gotta meet that minimum. Zenefits pushes a more all-in-one vibe, and it's especially nice if you see the team growing soon. But here's the thing, it's just generally pricier. So if penny pinching is on your mind, kinda hard not to lean towards Gusto. Up next, payroll. I mean, if you want payroll that basically takes care of itself, Gusto is your guy. Fully automated, included in every single plan, super slick and easy. The one catch? Maybe not the most decked out HR toolkit underneath. Zenefits? Payroll isn't baked in, it's an add-on, so you gotta opt for it. It gets the job done, but honestly, compared to Gusto, it's just not as seamless. Gusto's automation really makes it shine here. Benefits administration. Okay, so this is where Zenefits perks up. Gusto does a nice job keeping stuff simple, and for lots of smaller teams, that's actually awesome. But if you want to go deep, like managing all sorts of carriers or dealing with more robust benefits, Gusto's kinda limited. Zenefits? Oh, it's built for this stuff. Offers comprehensive benefits workflows and supports things like EDI, which just means less paperwork headaches. Though sometimes you might need a bit more setup in the beginning. Advantage? Zenefits takes it. Oh, and here's something cool I bet a ton of folks overlook. Did you actually know that both Gusto and Zenefits help with ACA compliance? That's huge for businesses trying not to trip over regulations. Time and attendance tracking. So Gusto gives you a basic package. Think simple clock-ins that work with payroll. Super straightforward, no major frills. But that's about where it ends. Zenefits, however, packs in way more. Syncs with payroll, handles scheduling, has extra time management goodies. Is it harder to configure? Definitely. But once it's up and running, it's like, wow, this is powerful. So yeah, Zenefits kinda sweeps up here. Last big one, HR features. So Gusto is mostly payroll first and does offer a handful of HR things, but if your company's needs are, let's say, not so basic, you'll probably feel a little boxed in. Zenefits goes all out with HR. We're talking onboarding, performance reviews, the whole 9 yards. There's a bigger learning curve, don't get me wrong, but if you want pro-level HR features, Zenefits is the one to beat. Let's zoom out and peek at our radar chart. You can see, category by category, how Gusto's strength really lies in pricing and payroll automation. Zenefits kind of flexes everywhere else, especially on HR features and benefits. It's a pretty clear matchup, I'd say. So what's the bottom line here? Gusto's killer if you've got a smaller team and just need payroll done right, fast, no drama. But Zenefits, man, if you're scaling and you want HR, benefits, time tracking, like the whole package, Zenefits really steps up. Honestly, choose Gusto for simplicity and Zenefits if you're ready for HR power. Did this help clear things up? If you want to catch more HR and payroll software breakdowns, be sure to stick around for all the latest reviews. Trust me, you'll want to know what's hot for 2025.